welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Sophony and welcome. So today I am doing my makeup and I am also going to Walmart to pick up some, I kind of like this hair, so I'm going to Walmart to pick up some eyeliner because I was about to do my makeup, but while I was getting ready and I realized that I'm almost out of eyeliner. So, and I've been using this little Palladio liquid eyeliner since I started my channel. So yeah, so we're going to Walmart. Ooh, girl, it looks so fucking cute. Oh my god, I can't even look at the sign. Oh, okay, y'all. So I'm going in my car. Waiting on my sister. Oh, my feet is not done. I like this little cute shoes. It's kind of cute. With my little dress. Okay, we're walking. It's okay. We're on the way to Walmart. But you wanna say hi, guys? Okay, we are here. Wow, this line is crazy in here. So I'm gonna be in line for one eyeliner. Wow, they are busy. Ooh, yes, guys, we are here. We have makeup in. Oh my god, I don't know what to pick. Like, I love being here. This is L'Oreal. Do they have any eyeliner in here? L'Oreal. I haven't tried any L'Oreal eyeliner yet, so that'll be good. This is mascara. Oh, this is the mascara I have, the voluminous mascara. I need an eyeliner, really black eyeliner. Do they have NYX brand in here? Because I heard that the eyeliner is good. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh, they have some. Wait, no, I have these palettes. I really want to do my makeup today. I am so excited. Yeah, I have these brushes, the Real Technique brushes. They're like $20. Okay, this is Hard Candy Wet n Wild EF. What's this? Oh, this looks like eyeliner. Let me see. I want to know how the applicator looks like. Yeah, this is eyeliner. Let me ask if I can open this. Oh, they are $2, very cheap. And I also want something else. You back? You back? Okay, y'all. So I am back. Well, I've been back, but like right now it's 2 in the morning, and I am still in the mood to film. So we're gonna create a natural look this late. So we're just gonna create a natural look. Not too much. We're not gonna use glitter or nothing. It's 2 in the morning and I am still in the mood to be in front of camera. I will do it tomorrow, but tomorrow is Wednesday and Wednesday usually be my editing days. I might not have that much time to edit. With me, editing can take days, hours, and I want this video to be up by Thursday at 3. Yeah, and I'm still in the mood, so why not? To clean up my brows, I'm going to use this P. Louise Roma Base in number 05. Make sure you blend in the concealer out. Okay, so we're done blending. So the palette I'm going to use today is the L'Oreal Nude palette, and I bought this from Walmart a few days ago, I think last month, I don't know. I'm gonna go in with this brown shade right here. I'm just gonna tap this here. We are doing a soft glam. Now I'm gonna go in with this nude pink right here. I'm gonna go in with this palette right here. It has no name. I bought this like 3 years ago. I don't know. I forgot where I got it from. Just a random palette, but it got some really cute shades, and this is my second time using these. They are so beautiful, and it smells good too. So I'm gonna go in with this yellow right here. They all shimmer. Oh shoot, it's gonna be cute, girl. I need the yellow to pop out more, so I'm gonna spray the brush with the Black Radiance setting spray, and I'm just gonna apply more product. See the difference? This is what I'm going to use. It's called CMAADU, something like that. So I'm gonna go in with this gold color. Like for this glitter, you don't really need glitter gel or glitter glue for it to stay on. For my wing eyeliner, I'm going to use my new EL eyeliner in color Jet Black. I need a tiny line. Oh wow, it's dark. I like that. For mascara, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara on my lashes. So I'm back. Before you move to foundation or any other products, you gotta make sure you wipe out under your eyes for any fallout. Do I need any primer? No, I don't really need a face moisturizer. No, we don't need all that. I think my face still look cute. It's presentable. I just need to sleep early. That's why I have my dark circle still. For foundation, I'm going to use the Beauty Bakery Insta Bake Foundation in number 315W. So if you see my mouth is moving, I am eating some watermelon with powder milk. This shit is the best, y'all. This is the best. To highlight, I am using the Beauty Bakery concealer in number 008. And I'm just gonna blend this quick. Oh, it looks so pretty. You know why I love this concealer so much? It dries quick and it's full coverage. Like, I love it. You know, like right here where I just highlighted, you can see where the concealer starts. I'm gonna take the bottom of the beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend out the edge to even it out. We don't need harsh lines. You see it? Everything look normal. Alright, so to set my concealer, I'm going to use one of my old favorite banana. This is the L'Oreal powder. Wow, and it still works amazing. Yeah, I stopped using it because Julia took over. I like blending the powder into my skin. I am going to contour with the this contour palette I have like for years. It's the City Color contour palette, this dark shade. So now to finish up my look, I'm going in with my favorite finishing powder, which is the Rimmel London Stay Matte powder, number 031. I'm just gonna dust this powder between where I contour and highlight it. So for blush, I am going in with the Juvia's Place Siren 2 eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go in with this orange shade right here. This is so bad. Yes, I love seeing this orangey on my cheek. Like right now, this is my favorite part of makeup. So for my lips, I'm going to use the same pencil that I did my brows with, and I'm just gonna line my lips with this pencil. For lipstick, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Nude lipstick. Yeah, they kind of show out a little bit. So to finish up my makeup, I'm going to spray my face with this Black Radiant setting spray. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please give me a big fat thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you guys Thursday.